So this here is just going to be a little bit of a recap of what we covered in the export demos. Basically, the main thing to keep in mind is always start with what you're going to be using your files for. Calculate the file size that you'll need. If it's for print, make sure to check your printer resolution and also the print size. If it's for web, check if it's just for standard pixel density displays, or if they're for special high pixel density displays such as Retina displays, and find out what resolution you would have to export at, and just keep that in mind. Always start for when dealing with files for digital. Start with the file size set to the largest that you would be exporting, and then use Save for Web to scale down if necessary. Animated GIF files, pretty straightforward. You can fiddle with the different settings to get the file size that you like. Same goes for really any sort of Save for Web settings. It's always a trade-off between quality, the way it looks, and its file size. And for batch processing, here you can make use of Photoshop actions. You can record your own and use the Automate Batch control panel to tell Photoshop to run your action on a bunch of files. Always have backups when batch processing files. And also, you can use layer comps to save different configurations within your Photoshop file. For example, having certain layers arranged a certain way, or certain layers showing and certain layers invisible. Save those as layer comps, and you can export them all as once using a built-in Photoshop script layer comp to files. That's pretty much it.